macOS 10.14 Mojave release date, news and features. Now that macOS Mojave has arrived on our Macs, bringing key iOS apps like News and Stocks to the fold, Apple's OS is better than ever. This update also brings a system-wide dark mode and increased productivity through Finder. Apple has hinted that more iOS apps will be making their way to the best Macs in the coming years, but there's already a lot to love. And while macOS Mojave has faced its own fair share of security issues, namely key steal, a security exploit that makes your keychain passwords vulnerable, the operating system is generally safe and stable. We've had macOS Mojave on our Macs for months, and all the problems are getting patched out, and the ones that remain are outweighed by the benefits. So, now that we have macOS Mojave, we'll dive into all the features the new OS offers, along with what's coming, so you can decide whether it's worth the upgrade in 2019. Make the most out of the new operating system with the best macOS 10.14 Mojave tips and tricks. Installed Mojave and having issues? Check out our guide on macOS 10.14 Mojave problems, how to fix them. Cut to the chase. What is it? The 2018 edition of Apple's Mac operating system, macOS. When is it out? macOS Mojave is out right now. What will it cost? macOS 10.14 is free. Apple announced macOS Mojave back in June 2018 at WWDC 2018, where most of the features were detailed. This was followed by a public beta launch back in July, then finally the macOS Mojave launch on September 24, 2018. Apple is keeping macOS Mojave updated with all the latest features. The latest of these updates, macOS 10.14.4 brings dark mode to Safari, along with the new Apple News Plus service. Past updates included a fix to the FaceTime bug that allowed people to access your camera without you answering their call, and a supplemental update, boosting reliability for the 2018 MacBook Air.